The way you move your body, me I like, yeah. Bad girl, come right on my back, yeah. Yeah. Me feel it, say now who's some will make me feel it alright. Yeah. Oh baby, commando, come make a pee.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style this wig from Wiggins Hair. So this is the Natural Wave 13x6 lace frontal wig. It's 250 density and it's 24 inches long. So I obviously decided to do something different with this wig. I didn't want to just wear it in its natural state because I think that's just boring, you know. So I decided to like curl the hair with a curling one, but the one that I used is so thin, so that's obviously how I was able to get this hair to be so big like this. I love how it turned out because I think this looks amazing. Like, it's just really nice, you know. And guys, the lace on this wig is everything. Okay, the lace is everything. Look at how it just melts into my skin. It literally just melts into my skin. All I used was the got to be spray to glue the lace down, and yeah, like I'm just so happy with it. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, and I'll make sure to leave the link for the curling one that I used as well. So if you guys like this wig on me, if you like how it turned out, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so I've got the wig on my head now. I'm just literally gonna start separating the curls. I'm loving how this is looking already, guys. I've literally just separated the curls with my hand, and this is how the hair is looking. So now I'm just gonna cut off the rest of the lace because I don't need that anymore. Like, I'm loving how this is looking, literally. Okay, so guys, this hair right now is everything, man. It's everything. You guys already know I like really big hair, so I don't mind this hair being this big. So I'm just gonna take off the elastic band now. My hair should be done. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is what the lace is looking like. Like, I'm so impressed with the lace, like it's not even a joke. The lace is so thin, so it really blends into my skin. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't even need any baby hair. That's the maddest thing about this lace, like this wig. But I'm just gonna make some baby hairs right here, because obviously you guys can see this side is fine, it's just this side that I'm just going to create small baby hairs right here. So this is what the hair looks like. This wig is amazing, that's all I can say. The wig is actually amazing. Like, the lace melts into my skin because it's so thin, and the hair itself just looks really good. Like, I'm really happy with how it turned out with me curling the hair. I'm gonna say this now, listen, if you don't have patience, yeah, there's no point in you even attempting to do this hair. It took me forever to style this hair because, like, obviously, you know, it's curly hair and I'm having to like curl the hair in small bits for me to get this. But I like the turnout. So if you want to go for this, just make sure you have loads of patience, or maybe you can even take breaks in between while you're curling the hair, because curling hair is so long, I won't lie to you. I won't lie, it's so long. But I'm just really happy with this hair. So this hair is from Wiggins Hair. The lace is absolutely amazing, as you guys can see yourself, because it just melts into my skin. All I did was I just applied my foundation onto the lace. I just did my makeup not long ago, so the foundation that was left on my brush was what I literally just applied all over the lace. And then yeah, you guys can see it's a 13x6 lace front wig, so you can literally part the hair all the way. You can get a deep parting with this wig basically. If you guys are interested in getting this wig, I'll make sure to leave all the links down below, and I'm also going to leave the link to the curling wand that I used as well. So just check the description box for everything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.